Hi there, and welcome to Tractic Gardening Suite Online Learning. In our video today, we're going to look at the Tractic application and its functionality. Once you've downloaded the Tractic application from either the Apple App Store or the Android Play Store, this will be the main menu screen once you select Open. The first area that you'll be entering in is the server URL. The server URL refers to the dedicated custom client access portal. So once you type in that information that was sent out to you on your initial conversation and getting started with us, you'll type it in there. The installation code refers to the actual code that was generated when you created your device license. Once that's there, you'll select and put it in. And at this stage now, you're ready to install the license for this device. By installing the license for this device, you're registering that this device is going to be connected to the actual property or customer that you've created the device license in. The customer ABC company is now assigned to this mobile device. From here, you can enter in your username and password, which is the identical one for any users that also have to sign in from a laptop or a desktop. Once you've completed that, the system on your mobile device will always prompt you to clock in, sign out, or cancel. If an individual is early for their shift, they can simply hit cancel, and they would still have access to complete any reports or requests. Once the user is ready to clock in, they can simply select the time clock icon and select clock in. We're going to look at all of the actual current features showing on this mobile application. The time clock will allow you to start a break once clocked in, clock out and stay signed in, clock out and sign out, or simply cancel to exit. The checkpoint icon allows you to see the available checkpoints that you have created by selecting the View All checkpoints. It allows you to see the tour schedules if you set up a tour with a scheduled time to completion, and of course, the area to start a tour. So if you're heading into work and it's time for you to start working, this is what you'd select. The reload settings refers to the entire application in case there is an update that's required and you've been advised to reload the settings. Let's look at the view all checkpoints first. These are the checkpoints that have been created for your dedicated portal. You can show more if there are more details there and more descriptions. Once you're back and hit the back button, you'll be brought back to the actual area. Let's look at the tour schedule. The tour schedule lets you know any tours that are coming up. So as you can see, it'll show you that there is an overnight patrol that's never been performed, and the next scheduled time for this patrol is at 4 a.m. And of course, the start tour simply indicates to allow you to start your tour. So once you select the tour to start, it'll bring you to your areas here. The tour can be, once these are all scanned, finished by selecting the Finish button. While you're in your tour, if you're required to complete a report, you can select the Reports tab. And this will allow you to select any of the reports that have been created in the tour. You can also select the plus button to complete our customized tour report for any comments or pictures that you need to complete. If you've been unable to complete your tour or interrupted due to an emergency or pressing matter, select the Finish Tour and it'll allow you to create your reason. This reason will be in the tour report. The Reports and Logs tab will allow you to select from any of the reports that you have actually already created within the system. Create a report allows you to start to complete a report from the list. Browse Site Reports allows you to view any reports that have already been completed. Dispatch Tasks allows you to complete any tasks that have been sent to you from the actual administrator. Message Board allows you to send a message, which will be seen on the administrative dashboard, view messages, as well as all messages. To post a new message, select the Post New Message, and you have the option to send a general message or a weather alert or be on the lookout, announcement, or procedure change. This will show up in the customer's profile in the administrative portal for acknowledgement by the administrator. You can put the publish date, picture, and post message, and these options are dependent on the roles and security permissions that have been defined for the user that signed in. Post escalation are referring to policies. Think of it like a file folder. Any reference material that you'd like your employee to review or have access to can be entered in here. For more information on post and escalations, please log in to Tractic University to review. Emergency contacts refers to the emergency contacts that have been defined within the system. Teams refers to all the employees that are eligible to work at this location and their details. This is a permission as well and can be turned on and turned off depending on your policies and procedures. Flashlight refers to activating the flashlight for your dedicated mobile device. Watch mode, when enabled, will allow the actual employee to turn this on to record any activity at the property. The panic button allows the employee to select this button if there is imminent danger and needs to be acknowledged and for those to be aware. Settings refers to any of the settings within the system, and a review. For more information on the rest of the features in detail, head over to Tractic University by typing in help.tractic.com. Here you can type in mobile app and you'll see all the details for installing your app as well as details on how to use the mobile applications, tabs, and features. Thanks, and bye for now.